Before buying a geyser, it's super important to check things like power, water pressure, tank size, and safety features. A few smart checks can save you a lot of trouble later. In this video, I will tell you exactly what to look for so you get the right geyser for your home. When it comes to power consumption and energy efficiency, instant geysers usually use more power than storage ones because they heat water quickly and consistently. So always check the voltage first. Most important geysers come in 3000 volts to 4500 volts. 3000 volts is ideal for regular use, but if you need hot water quickly or frequently, go for 4500 volts, but it will consume more electricity and increase your bill. Also, this is super important. Don't forget to check if your home wiring can handle the higher voltage. Tank sizes typically come in 1, 3 or 5 liters. So for washing utensils or hands, 1 or 3 liters is fine. But for a comfortable bucket bath, 5 liter is a much better choice. If you have 1 or 2 members or just need it for kitchen use, a 1 or 3 liter geyser is enough. But for a family of 3 or 4 members, 3 or 5 liters works well, especially if you are taking bucket baths. And if you have more members or prefer shower baths, you should consider a bigger storage geyser for a steady flow of hot water without any drops in temperature. Another point is water pressure. It's super important, especially if you live in a high-rise building. Instant geysers are directly connected to the main water line, and if the water pressure is too high, it can damage the inner tank or cause leakage over time. That's why you should look for a model that supports high pressure, usually rated at 6.5 bar or more. And this brings me to another factor, build quality. A copper heating element is a must. It heats water faster and lasts longer. Also, check if the inner tank is made of stainless steel or has a glass line coating to prevent rust. Good insulation helps retain heat and saves energy. And don't forget the anode rod. It's like a protective shield for the tank. It acts as a sacrificial rod, attracting rust and corrosion to itself so the tank stays safe. Over time, the rod wears out and we can replace it. So it helps extend the life of your geyser by protecting the inner tank from damage. Along with that, safety features like a thermal cutoff which automatically shuts off heating if the water gets too hot. A pressure release valve to prevent damage if the internal pressure rises too high, and if the geyser has ISI certification, that's a good sign it meets safety standards. Considering all these factors, I have picked the best instant geysers in every size range, so let's dive right into it. If you are on a budget and need a geyser for bigger family, V-Guard and Orient are two of the best options. V-Guard Zeo comes with a 5 liter capacity and a powerful 3000 watt copper heating element with magnesium oxide insulation for faster heating. The inner tank is made of 304 grade stainless steel while the outer body is constructed from rust-proof polymer. It's designed with advanced multi-layer safety mechanisms, ISI mark thermostat, pressure release valve, cutoff and anti-siphon protection, and can handle pressure up to 6.5 bar, which is suitable for low and mid-rise buildings. V-Guard offers 2 years of warranty for the geyser and heating element and 5 years for the storage tank. If you want a slightly higher capacity, Orient is the best option with 5.9 liter storage. It comes with 3000 watt copper heating rod and the inner tank is made of durable stainless steel, while its outer body is shockproof and it also includes ISI mark safety mechanisms, pressure release valve, cutoff and shock resistance. It's suitable for low and mid-rise buildings with pressure up to 6.5 bar and it comes with a 5-year comprehensive warranty. Before we go further, hit that like button and subscribe if you want more content like this. It's free for you but makes a big difference for the channel. If you want a geyser that can handle medium pressure, hard water and you are willing to stretch your budget a little higher, A.O. Smith and Crompton Rapid are good options. For hard water, A.O. Smith is the right geyser. I'm using it myself for over a year and it has been working great, especially in hard water areas. It comes with a 5 liter capacity and its inner tank is designed to handle high water pressure. So it's suitable for both medium and high-rise buildings. It comes with UL rated wiring and a pressure release valve for safety under pressure. Another reliable option for medium pressure is Crompton Rapid Jet, comes with a 5 liter capacity and 3000 watt copper heating rod. The inner tank is made of durable stainless steel while outer body is constructed from rust-proof polymer. It also includes advanced 4-layer safety mechanisms, ISI mark thermostat, pressure release valve, cutoff and anti-siphon protection. Now, as we all know, Racold brand is recognized for its energy efficiency and strong durable products. And Racold Pronto Neo is one of the best products. It's designed with high pressure technology which comes with 3000 watt heating element, while its anti-backflow system prevents water from turning back into the pipeline. The rust-proof polypropylene body guarantees resistance to corrosion. It also includes 3 safety levels, a thermostat, a thermal cutout and a pressure release valve, alongside a fire retardant cable for additional safety. Racold stands by this geyser with 2 years of warranty on the product and heating element and 5 years on the storage tank. A.O. Smith and Crompton also have 3-liter models, and Racold offers 1-liter and 3-liter variants in case you need something even more compact. Very few models come with a 4500 watt heating element, and you will find links to those as well in case you need them. And that's where we finish our list. I hope this helps you to find the right geyser for your family. If you like this video, hit that like button. It really helps me to keep bringing you honest reviews. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do it now. It's free for you, but it makes a big difference for the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. This is Bhavna signing off.